Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Technology with Amit. So in this video, we are going to make a funnel chart in the Power BI. So in the previous video, we are making some pie chart, bar chart, donut chart, and the table. So for making the funnel chart, we are implementing some data around data. So in this, we are values like in the name column, we are adding some name like Amit1, Amit 2, Amit 3, Amit 4, Amit 5, Amit 6, Amit 7, Amit 8, Amit 9. Okay, there are some values like in this we are defining some numbers. So in this we are defining like 56, 54, 44, 10, 15, like 10, 100, 125, 85, 45, 65. Okay. So save this in the desktop. So this is already saved in the desktop. This is sheet 2 and the name of Excel sheet is table data. Okay, save this and open Power BI. So you can see there are some charts and tables. So create new page. So in this page we are adding the sheet 2 in the table data 2. You can see there is sheet 2. In the sheet 2 we have some names and numbers. So load this data. So our sheet 2 is loaded and you can see there is name and number. So for making the funnel chart, we are clicking on the funnel. So this is funnel. So drag this in the middle and just passing the values like in the category we have names and in the values we have some values. So you can see our funnel is created and make the sizes longer. So in the left side you can see there is name with category like according to the number value 125 is on the top and you can see 100 is second and 85 is this. So according to the value, the funnel chart is automatically arranging in the descending or ascending order. So just visual this. So go to the visual, format visual, change the color like we want color green. So change with green. If you want to different for all, like first is red, and second one is light red, and the third one is like orange, and fourth one is like this and this and change with this and all some are green. Okay, and change the colors. And then if you want to change the data labels, so inside center, outside center, you can uh, change according to you. If you want to label contents, so I already did data labels. If you want to percentage of previous, so this is not necessary. So we are just click on the data value. So if you want to the value in the changes of value like increasing the font size and with bold and color change, so change the color with black. So decrease the size, so changes with the value. And if you want to change in the category label, so size increase size. And if you want to bold and that color is something different, if you want to change you can change. And if you want to change the style, just you can change the style and go to the general. In the general you can already also, if you want to style your title, so increase the size and just bold this and Arial black and change in the middle. So that is okay. If you want to change the, so this is our title. If you want to add some subtitle, divider and all, not necessary for me. So just change it with background color is black. So white is okay. So with change with the white. If you want to add visual border, just increase the corners. And if you want to add shadow, my shadow's color is black and in the inside. So if you can see the border is this. If you want to header icon, So this is not, this is okay. White color is okay. So our funnel is ready. So thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Technology with Amit.